Everybody, it's Big E. Welcome to Big E Auto. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're working on the old train wreck. I don't know how many of you have this problem, but these seats are getting old. And right in here, I don't know if I can show you, it's collapsed. Like you can, that's the frame of the seat. The foam's completely gone. So I have some foam here that I ripped out of the original seats on the Camaro. So basically, what I'm going to do here is if I can take this angle here, it's kind of match this angle here of the foam, and I'm going to try and cut this seam open here, okay, where it's stitched, and see if I can cut this, put it in there, and restitch it to get this so it's more comfortable, because when I'm pulling the trailer, it's kind of annoying when you're sitting on an angle. And it's kind of uncomfortable after about a half an hour of your butt rubbing on that. So we're going to see if we can fix this up. So let me get some tools and we're going to see if we can get started here. Alright guys, so here's what we got. You see there's the actual frame. That's what my butt's been hitting. You can see the paint's rubbed off. I did stuff some padding up in there already. This is our main piece here that we're going to use to stuff in there. So I'm going to go ahead and try stuffing that in, and we're going to trial fit it, and then hopefully we can stitch it together. Alright guys, so here's what we have so far with stitching it back together. I got it in the center here. I got to redo the needle here and put some thread. We're going to try and get this, now with this holding, this will help this get tighter and get tighter here, and then hopefully we can get a nice seam here. Since I'm doing it by hand, it's not going to be the prettiest, but at least it'll have the support here that my butt won't be riding on the seat frame. Alright guys, quick tip here. So, because I have, my fingers are like stubs, and I can't really, I'm trying to find the end here. I don't know if you can see where the end of this is. When you come to the end of your thread, I can't tie it. So one thing what I'm going to try doing here is see where it's going in and put a little bit of glue there, okay, where that is, and we'll let that set up. And while that's setting up, we're going to set up our needle and thread for our next round to get this stitched up. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. It ain't pretty. I'm not going into upholstery business anytime soon, but you can see here, let me move my glasses out of the way. You can see that seat's pretty flat before it's caved in. We have this curve is back with the cushion here. We actually have some side cushion here now, and this is all stitched up, and hopefully that'll tighten up a few spots. But that's basically how you can stitch your seat if you're having an issue. Any seat, it doesn't have to be a Ford or an OBS seat, it could be any seat. Find some foam. I had a set of seats I was throwing out from the Camaro, so I basically salvaged the foam from those seats, and then that's what I used to put in here. And I tried to match up the shapes and get everything tight and stuffed real good. So I'm really hoping that the next ride to Maple Grove with the trailer is more comfortable, so my butt isn't so sore from bouncing over the bumps from hitting that seat frame. So anyway, that's it for now. Like and comment, subscribe, share, whatever you feel led to do. This is kind of like a spur of the moment thing. I never did this before, obviously, and now the problem is my wife knows I can sew, so that might be a problem later. But anyway, watch out for each other, take care of each other. See you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.